TCC's Special Order Parts program automatically tracks parts from start to finish, sends automatic updates to customers and dealership staff, and provides detailed reports on status and value. The result? High customer satisfaction, reclaimed labor value, and accountability and transparency in the parts department. Here's how it works. TCC integrates with the DMS to track special order part status from order to install. All active orders appear in the dashboard. The dashboard also easily filters by status to show orders that are on track or ones that are not progressing. It's easy to look up specific orders by searching via RO number, tag, part, VIN, or customer name. The dashboard can also be filtered by advisor or date like in a traditional SOP bin and shelf system. Every part has a complete timeline from order to install with additional options for customer communication. Parts ordered but not yet received can have estimated delivery and other aspects adjusted by the advisor. Customers not notified or without an appointment come with additional prompts to progress the order. Part orders can also be voided or marked unclaimed if necessary based on the given situation. If you choose to communicate with customers manually rather than automatically, advisors will be prompted to notify the customer once all parts for a given RO have arrived. Easily notify customers via email or text, edit the message before sending, and have specific templates created to match a unique workflow and brand while saving time. Text message, live call, and email history is also available from the screen to prevent overcommunication. Access powerful data with our reporting suite. Reports can be filtered by any desired date range or advisor, and charts and graphs will update in real time with a detailed breakdown on how many parts and their dollar value are waiting at each stage of the process. It's more important than ever to quickly turn around vehicles to not run afoul of OEM guidelines or state lemon laws. Our reports filter by status and allow custom time filters to clearly highlight parts that need action taken soon. Last but not least, keep staff informed with automatic configurable alerts. Customize conditions based on part and dollar amounts or get blanket notifications for all SOP arrivals. Easily select staff with one-key autocomplete and configure alerts to the medium that works best. Detailed reporting, easy communication, advisor alerts, and a part timeline make for a streamlined special order parts process. For a fast, efficient, and accountable parts department that reclaims labor value and keeps customers satisfied, look no further than TCC.